Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. Today I am going to create another modified bloom pour on a 6" by 6" tile. I hope you will like this one a lot because this time it's going to be a floral one. So to start with, I am spreading out my pillow on top of the tile, and some of you have asked me that do I do anything to my tile before I pour, and the answer is no, I don't do anything, because once I pour it, you can peel it off from the tile if you pry, but the thing is I use resin to cover my pour, which makes it permanent, and it really stays there. So I am perfectly fine with pouring on a tile, ceramic tile, without doing anything extra to the tile. So the first color that I am starting with, it's from TLP pigment, which is called Shangria. So that's what the first flower, or my first bloom, I guess I should say, I'll start with. And this one is, by the way, if you have not bought this one, I think you should have it in your collection. The pigment that I'm talking about is named Groovy from TLP. This is it's actually a fluorescent pink, but it's such a beautiful color, and I mix some quintagrown magenta with that one to tone it down a little. The side color that I'm using, it's actually a mixture of from primary element pomegranate, and I mixed some, what's it called, quinacron, no, dioxazine purple. So those two color I should say pigment and acrylic paint, I mixed together to get this beautiful color. So these are my two blooms that I'm going to do. I'm just going for a flower look. For the green, I added Art Mind's green apple. I think you can substitute that with Modern Masters green apple. They are pretty similar. And with that, I mixed a tiny bit of pigment, which is from Primary Element, and the name of the pigment is called Olive Vine. And teensy bit of black, probably Amsterdam black, I don't remember exactly. So those three colors gave me the green that I'm using here. The gold that you see, this is from DecoArt 24K gold mixed with Golden's High Flow Bronze. Those are mixed together with my pouring medium to like lighten it a bit. And the last I am putting on, the black color, is basically my cell activator. So once I have all of them, I am going to blow. So today I'm going through like my back pain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the tile and I'm going to blow them on. I will still video tape that part, and I'm not going to edit it because some of these might be helpful to you. I know a lot of the time I will be off center, just like this. I am off centered from the camera because it's very difficult to blow it if I don't bend down a lot and keeping the tile on the camera. I apologize for that, but I didn't have any choice, and my daughter was not at home at that time, so I couldn't ask her to video record me the right way. So again, I apologize. So I am blowing everything by my mouth. I also sometimes blow my flowers with straw, but this is what I see. Often when I blow with the straws, a lot of the black, not black, the white surface shows off on the flowers, so which I'm not very fond of. So I prefer to blow my flowers with my mouth, and that's what I'm doing right now. That's my first flower. See this bright pink? That's from the Groovy from TLP. I just love that color. And this is how my composition looks like right now. Then I am going to use a skewer to modify this composition a lot. Before I do that, let me torch it and get rid of all the bubbles. And then you can see that I'm starting my modification. So enjoy, and I hope you like it. On the right side of the tile, you can see that my pillow is kind of drying off, so I am using my finger to pull it to the sides, and I'm sure once I spin it more it will expand, and that ugly part that I make it a mess with my fingers will slide off to the sides. So sometimes you can use this trick to help you. I'm just showing you all the possible circumstances that I run into when I do this kind of blooms. So now I'm looking at my composition and I'm kind of liking it. I like what I have and I don't want to get rid of anything more. At this point, I'm going to do some minor modification, and this time I'm going to use the pointy side of my skewer to do some tiny bit of modification here and there. At this point, I feel like that I'm done. I'm not going to do anything to this beauty. This is so gorgeous. Let me take you closer. Look at this. How beautiful the lacing and the cells together. I cannot tell you how pretty it looks. It's to die for. Um, so I'm done with this one. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and see you soon. Thank you.